The video is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Venom. Venom is a special ransomware type infection that attacks many Windows computers. We found this ransomware while inspecting new malware submissions to the VirusTotal database. We found out that Venom belongs to the Zeppelin ransomware family. On our test system, this malicious program encrypted files and appended their file names with the Venom extension. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But the point is that some computers may be vulnerable before the ransomware attacks. So Venom ransomware may inject the system and start causing a lot of troubles. In particular, this ransomware encrypts the files, and as I said, it adds a special Venom extension to the file name. So after the extension is added, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The files are encrypted. After the encryption is finished, Venom creates a text file that is named "All your files are encrypted." The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. And it also tells the victims to contact the developers of the ransomware using this email address for file decryption guidelines. But the point is that paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So do not pay the ransom. We recommend you to carefully research the task manager of your computer, and if you find any suspicious processes here on the list, you should terminate them to stop the further file encryption. Speaking about removing this particular ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner. But to download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may be modified by the ransomware too. So go to the Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application. Using this green download button, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and elimination. After the anti-malware database is successfully updating, the program is scanning the system, and you'll see that some threats have already been found. You may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner, and you'll discover that there is a great feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether, and this is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure.